Hello, Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, performing an inspection out here in Omaha today. Home's roughly about 80-year-old house. I wanted to point out a couple things. One, around our ductwork down here in the basement, we got some of the older duct wrap on there. That material is or has been known to have asbestos in it, so we definitely recommend getting a little further evaluation on that. Starting to peel away a little bit up there. When it's peeling away, flaking off, then that's when we have the issues of getting that asbestos airborne and the possibility of breathing that in. So we recommend getting that tested. That's the only way to know if it really does have asbestos in it. And if it does, then we definitely recommend getting it corrected, wrapped and encapsulated so nothing becomes airborne. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.